So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some WhatsApp new updates and then tips and tricks you really need to know. So if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So day in, day out, WhatsApp keep making very good and new changes to this app right here, and there have been a lot which sometimes before you are going to be able to see them, you have to update the app in order to get these features. So the first one I want to share with you is message reaction, which is something I'm sure a lot of people are really going to know. So in case maybe you are texting in a group or anywhere else, you can just press hold on a message like this which you sent or someone sent, and then you can just use these reactions right here in order to reply any of them. So in case maybe I want to reply this, you can see right here I just tapped on it and then the reaction turned out. If I want to just undo that, I can just press hold again and then undo it, and that is pretty much very cool. It's just going to delete it from there. So that is the first changes you need to know in case maybe you've not yet seen it, and this works for both iOS and Android. Just update your WhatsApp, and that is basically very cool. Let's check out the next feature. So one of the super fine updates I also saw was within the voice notes right here. So when you try recording the voice notes, now you have the ability to just pause a voice note and then also continue whilst maybe you are actually doing something, and then you feel like you want to just pause it up and then continue your voice you are sending to a particular person at a time. You can just do so right now in WhatsApp, and then you can just tap on it to resume again, and then you can just continue recording from where you stopped, and that is pretty much very cool. Initially we never had a chance to do this one right here, and now WhatsApp is actually improving things, and that is pretty much very cool. So let's check out the other updates or changes to I've seen so far. Another cool update to WhatsApp brought is ability to send files that are larger than 100 megabytes right now. So now the file size is actually up to 2 gigs. So in case your file is 2 gig and below, you can just send it through WhatsApp. Initially people use Telegram and all to send those large files, but now you can do it inside of WhatsApp, and that is basically very cool. So that is one of the new changes to I have seen so far. And also now you can just make group calls for about 32 people. Initially you can just do calls for just 8 people whilst you are making either a video call or a voice call. Now WhatsApp allows 32 people, so in case you want to just call people, you can just add them, and that is basically very cool. So in case maybe you've not yet received this update for the group calls right here, just hold on. WhatsApp is actually rolling it out in bits, so in case you have this feature already too, you can state in the comment section so that a lot of people will know it's really going to come to them. So let's check out the next feature too. Another changes that also is happening or that came through is ability to add about 512 people in a group. Initially we had the chance to add just 250 people in a group, but now WhatsApp has increased it to 520, and that is basically very cool. So if you have a group and then you feel like you just want to add a lot of people in it, you are now going to be able to just do it right away inside of WhatsApp. And like I said, in case maybe this one is not still available for you, just hold on. WhatsApp is actually rolling it out gradually to people, and yeah, that is basically very cool. So let's check out the other features that came through too. So going inside of the settings too, we now have a very decent update inside of WhatsApp, which is in the privacy settings. And now when you go into the privacy settings and then you come to groups right here, you can now see we have my contact accept. So now people who can add you in a group can actually be sorted right here. In case maybe you have someone in your contact who is really disturbing you with a group, you can just put it right here, and then you can just lock them up for them not to be able to just add you in any group. So that is one nifty feature too, I think I like so far within the WhatsApp. And also when you scroll to your profile picture right here, you can now see we can also put my contact accept, so you can prevent some people from seeing your profile pictures too. And that is one of the cool things too. Sometimes you feel some people are a bit nosy in your stuff, and you can just prevent them from just not seeing your profile pictures too, in case you want more privacy from them, and that is pretty much very cool. In the about section too, you can just prevent people from not seeing your about too by hitting on my contact accept. So that is the new changes that was added within the settings side right here too, and that is basically very cool. So let's check out the other features too that came through. So on WhatsApp now, let's say you're chatting with someone and then you just tap on the person's name like this, and then you scroll down, you can now create a group with the person right here directly. So in case maybe I want to create a new group and I was discussing with this guy, I can just tap on here and then I can add other people, or I can directly tap on this side to create a group name, and this person is actually going to be part of the group directly. Initially you just have to create a group before you add the people one by one, but now WhatsApp has actually made it very easy for us to just add people from a group whilst we are even chatting with them, and that is pretty much very cool. So this is one of the good things to WhatsApp has added, which I think is very nifty. And also it's very, very great that they're actually improving the app day in, day out. So if this was helpful, just give it a thumbs up, and also you can check out this video right here in case you missed my previous app reviews on this channel. And without further ado, I'm just gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.